Hello friend, now we are going to start the mechanism of vision. In previous class we already studied the structure of the eye. So I have a main three different layer: outer layer sclerotic, choroid, middle and inner layer retina. So we already study about the structure of these three different layer and what type of the cells are present in retina. So now we are start the how photoreceptor cells present in retina. So what is the function, how to receive the light and convert the light and help in the visual process. So this is the layer, this is the tapetum layer of retina. So retinal, so it is the inner layer. So where the two spot, first is blind spot and yellow spot. So in blind spot no rod and cone cells are present, and yellow spots only cone cells are present, which is responsible for bright vision. So this is the cone shaped of structure and always and also help in color vision, which is contain a pigment called iodopsin, and in rod cells which is responsible for dim light and contain a pigment rhodopsin. So in light and day vision, so these pigment rhodopsin break into retinal plus opsin plus variant of vitamin A, and so this breakdown it's occur in the in presence of light, and in dim, so these breakable components recombine to form the rhodopsin. So here is the photoreceptor cells which receive the light through the action of the parasympathetic process, and then light which connected through the nerve cells. So there are bipolar neurons present in retina. So bipolar neuron receive the visual sensory process, and which go outside the retina on which connect to the ganglionic cells and also maintain the alignment through horizontal cells as well as amacrine cells, and then it goes, so neuron, so ganglionic axon leads outside as a optic nerves, and then optic nerve goes to the brain, and where the visual cortex are present, responsible for the vision, and where the processing of inverted image which formed on retina, which is converted into real image. So this is the process. So light which reach to the surface of or inner surface of retina, so rod and cone cells receive the light, and then it transfer to the bipolar, and then ganglion cell receive the light images, and which form to optic nerves, and then optic nerves passes through the granulate nucleus, and then ultimately reach to the visual cortex where the real images are formed. So this is the process. And another one is the near vision, that is accommodation process, how the far object are visible. So there is the accommodation change in lens through the firing of the parasympathetic nerves, and ciliary muscles activated and ciliary muscles contract, and then the relaxation of the suspensory ligament. So here is the suspensory ligament and ciliary muscles in ciliary body. So contraction of the ciliary muscles, so and suspensory ligament release, so which receive the light and pass through and reach to the retina where the images are formed. So ultimately near object brought into focus or image formation. So this is all about related to, and now and ultimately we come to the defect. So one of the first defect is related to the accommodation, that is called astigmatism, where the accommodations related problems occurs, and another one is the myopia and hypermetropia, you know very well, long sightedness and short sightedness problem. Or third one is called, here is the lens. So at the over the surface of the lens, so deposition of the some chemical, that chemical it might be calcium oxalate like this. So, that is which makes the transparent lens into opaque lens, and opaque lens lead to the visual activities. So, we use we correct the defect to surgically remove the lens and help in cataract process. So, this is another defect is glaucoma. Another defect is called glaucoma. So, in glaucoma, more aqueous fluid or aqueous humor are produced by the ciliary body, which makes the viscosity. So, increase the viscosity means it more refraction takes place. So, there is the defect in formation of image over the retinal surface. So, this is related to glaucoma. So, these are the defect of eyes. Okay. So, here is okay. Thank you. Chal.